There are factors, which we can't control, namely the amount of traffic tickets and accidents. A ticket is a violation of law that could potentially result in an accident. Insurance companies frown on this, and will penalize the driver with higher rates. Similarly, accidents could indicate a pattern of behavior, as such the driver is penalized with higher rates. Where you live is another controlling factor that affects insurance quotes. Living in a rural area puts the driver at much less risk of accident or theft as compared to living in a city. As a result, city drivers will pay a larger premium than rural drivers with very few exceptions. Want to drive a Porsche 911 Carrera? It will cost you. The more your car is worth, the higher your insurance quote will be. The logic should be obvious. Car insurance companies are now looking at your creditworthiness. Do you have excessive, outstanding credit, or no credit at all? If so, you are a risk in the eyes of the insurance companies, and will get socked with higher insurance quotes. Keeping your credit in check will show the insurance companies you are responsible, both financially and on the road. As a result, you will pay a lower premiums. Your occupation can put you at a higher risk. Jobs that require many hours of driving, or driving in hazardous conditions, or places will put your quote at a higher rate. Less driving, and exposure to high-risk opportunities, will result in lower premiums. Additionally, you want to keep your annual mileage down to a minimum. The more miles you drive, the greater the risk of accident. Vehicle theft is a risk factor that can easily be minimized. Most companies will give you a discount for having better security for your vehicle. An alarm, or another approved anti-theft device will usually result in some discount. Some companies may insist on having such devices installed on more expensive and desirable cars before they even consider offering you a price. Some companies look favorably on drivers who have taken a defensive driver's course. They see this as a commitment to safer driving, thereby lowering the risk of accident, resulting in lower premiums. Keep in mind these are just general guidelines, and the difference in price between various companies can be significant. What one company may consider a high risk factor another company may not view as so important. The bottom line, keep your credit in check, be careful on the road and choose a car that fits your budgets.